All right, welcome back. So, yesterday we asked the huge question, what even is AI? Today, we're going to peel back another layer. We're going to get into the different kinds of AI, what we have right now, and what we're dreaming of building. And let's just kick things off with this because it's so important. The term AI gets thrown around for everything, but it's not just one thing. It's this huge, sprawling landscape of different ideas and technologies. No, seriously. When I say AI, what's the first image that flashes in your mind? I'm willing to bet for a lot of us, it's probably something straight out of science fiction. And you know what? That makes total sense. For decades, movies and books have been our main source for what AI is supposed to look like. And they've painted a pretty specific picture. We picture these friendly robot sidekicks, right? Or these massive, super intelligent computers that suddenly wake up and become self-aware. We imagine systems that can actually feel things, that can be creative. It's the classic Hollywood vision, and man, it sets our expectations incredibly high. But here's the thing. To really truly understand AI as it actually works today, we have to draw a line in the sand. We need to split the entire idea into two main buckets. And trust me, getting this difference is the absolute key to understanding where we are and where this is all going. First up, you've got what's called narrow AI, or sometimes you'll hear it called weak AI. Think of it like this. Imagine a chess computer that is so good it can beat any human grandmaster on the planet. It is a genius, but only at chess. That's its one and only trick. Ask it to tell you a joke or make a cup of coffee, it has no idea what you're talking about. It's a master of one single thing. And then, on the complete other end of the spectrum, we have the big dream, general AI, or strong AI. Now, this is the sci-fi stuff. Instead of a chess master, think of this AI more like a curious little kid. A kid can learn to play chess, sure, but they can also learn to ride a bike, paint a picture, and ask why a million times. It can learn and adapt to solve pretty much any kind of problem you throw at it, just like a person can. So it really just boils down to the simple, powerful idea: the specialist versus the generalist. One is a one-trick pony, an absolute virtuoso at its one job. The other is a jack of all trades that could, in theory, learn to master anything. That's the core difference right there. Okay, so let's really break this down and put them head to head. I think seeing them side by side like this really highlights the enormous gap between the AI we have and the AI we're chasing. Just look at the task scope. For narrow AI, it's one single defined task. For general AI, it's, well, any intellectual task. Then there's flexibility. A narrow AI is completely rigid. It can't take what it knows about chess and apply it to the stock market. A general AI could. And the examples really say it all, don't they? The AI we use every day, Siri, spam filters, Netflix, that's all narrow AI. It's today's reality. The AI from the movies, data from Star Trek, HAL 9000, that's general AI, the future goal. So, with all that in mind, let's bring it back down to earth. Let's forget the hypotheticals for a minute and just look at the world around us. Where is AI in your life right now? Well, the truth is, you are interacting with dozens of these narrow AIs every single day, and you probably don't even think about it. The GPS that finds you the fastest route through traffic, that's a narrow AI. The facial recognition that unlocks your phone in a split second, also a narrow AI. Your email spam filter, your music recommendations, those incredible language translation apps, they are all extremely powerful, but also extremely specialized examples of narrow AI. And this, right here, is the single most important thing to take away from our explainer today. Every single AI system on Earth right now, I don't care how impressive or futuristic it seems, is a form of narrow AI. We have not yet created a general AI. We are living very much in the age of the specialists. And that, of course, is the billion-dollar question, isn't it? We have gotten incredibly good at building these specialists. So now the great race is on to build the first true generalist. How far away is that future? Well, we'll have to get into that next time.